Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Mendoza at ito ang Daily Devotion araw August 3, 2025. Ngayong araw po natin itutuloy ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about predestination. Arminianism versus Calvinism. So sa devotion po natin, matututunan po natin paano aralin ang theology. Now, ang ating talata po for today ay magagaling sa Ephesians chapter 1 verses 4 and 5. Sabi ko rito, for He chose us in Him before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in His sight. In love, and predestined us for adoption to sonship through Jesus Christ, in accordance with His pleasure. Now, ating mas maunawaan kung ano sabihin ng talatang ito. Ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings for today. So sa teachings po natin, we will learn how to study theology. So, theology po, goal po niya is hindi po para mas-fulfill natin na mas matalino tayo. Yung pag-aaral po ng theology, it is about knowing God. Knowing God better. So, when we study theology, it's approach na meron tayong puso na ready makinig, na ready matuto. Dapat aware tayo sa sarili natin na hindi lahat ng bagay ay alam na natin for us to be able to learn. And also yung theology po, it is best learned in community. So let's study it together with other people so that sharpen natin yung perspective ng bawat isa and for us na rin to grow together in our faith and wisdom. And also yung Bible is the highest authority sa lahat ng theological studies na. That's why human ideas and traditions must submit to the Lord's word. Ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga applications for today. So, living out sound theology. So, first po is protect the church from false gospel. Yung pag-aaral po ng theology, it leads to proper way of life, right living. Pag-alam po natin yung katotohanan, we can protect the church against false gospels. Protektahan natin yung church against lies and yung mga teachings na yung nakakapag palayo instead na papalapit sa Diyos, nakakapagpalayo sa Diyos, nakakapagpalayo sa atin sa Diyos. And also, let's promote unity despite theological differences. Yes, all of us may have different perspective. We have all different perspective with our ideas, with our theological ideas, but it is not worth dividing over. That's why let's promote unity. Let's stand firm on the essentials. But yes, let's stand firm on the essentials, but don't forget to show grace in the essentials. So let's promote unity, and the most important thing is that Christ is everywhere. And also let's prioritize love, respect, and edification. So ayan, kaya po nasabi ko, even if we have differences, even if we disagree on some of other opinions, we must do it with love. Kasi ang goal ng theology is not to win arguments instead, but makapag-build tayo or malaman natin yung katotohanan. Marami po tayong natutunan sa araw nito.